Hey everybody, just so you guys know, I know some of you guys are probably new beginners and real estate beginners that maybe not understand loans and stuff like that. So points are basically a percentage. Each point is basically 1% that the loans lenders charge you just to originate the loan. So basically, it's like a fee, right? So they basically would charge you one. Sometimes they charge you zero, but they charge you one, two, up to 3% of the amount that they're lending you. So if it's $100,000 loan, they can charge you up to $3,000 just to originate the loan. That's not anything else. That's not even the interest you're paying. That is just origination fees, and it's just a fee that they make money on. And so if you can negotiate that down, because it's somewhat flexible, it doesn't cost them $3,000 to originate this loan. It's just extra icing on the cake for them. So that's very much negotiable. And definitely negotiate the best you can because that is quick savings immediately because you pay that when you close on the loan on the first end of the when you first close on the deal. So just for people in case you aren't confused about what points mean, because when I first started doing real estate, I didn't know about the terminology. And I think when some people start throwing that terminology around without actually explaining it, some people kind of get lost.